Hello, blessed day, everyone. My name is Marilu Dino. Can you call me Malu? I'm 42 this year, upcoming July 23, and I'm a single mom of two daughters. My eldest daughter, her age is 21 years old, and my uh, youngest is 14 this year, and I work here in Hong Kong 11 years. My last employer is 4 years and 6 months. And now I finish contract this coming March 19. I work here 6 years. 6 years of my previous employer. And my skills, I'm cooking, cleaning, ironing, all of the household chores. I can do it. And if you want me to learn something, I'm willing to learn. And I also take care of children and adults. Elderly, I don't have experience, but if have and they nice, it's okay. I can learn how to take care of elderly. And I don't want to co-worker co-worker together. I want alone for future employer. And I prepare job like I want to take care of children, adult, but I don't want in fun. But is that I want to thank you. And I know God have a purpose to and prepare me a better employer like my employer now. Thank you, and God bless us all.